Oh my god, I can't believe Mr. Patterson is making us buy a telescope.
I know, right?
Ugh.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, I guess.
How can I help you both? We are taking an astronomy class. We need to buy a telescope. We have basic knowledge, but we don't know everything. Now, why are you buying this telescope? What purpose?
We're going to need it for astrophotography.
Ooh, exciting. Now, what do you want to take pictures of?
Galaxies. They remind us how insignificant our lives are.
I love galaxies. They're just so pretty. There are 3 types of telescopes. There's catadioptric, and then there are refracting or reflecting, like you said. Now, do you guys know anything about aperture?
Isn't that how big, like, the lens or mirror is, and it collects light?
Yeah, and so the bigger the aperture, the more light is let in. So because you're taking pictures of galaxies, which are dim, you're going to want something with a big aperture, because galaxies are dim, which means you're going to want a reflecting telescope. So a reflecting telescope uses mirrors to focus light. A refracting telescope uses a lens, and it kind of looks like a magnifying glass. And a catadioptric telescope is a compound of both of them and uses both lenses and mirrors. What about magnification? Never say that word. It is a vile, vile word. Well, it's not really vile, but the fact, many people think that you need magnification, like you need to have a really high thing. You do not. You do not. Now, there's magnification of the telescope, but that does not really affect the image. You can change magnification by having different eyepieces, so the magnification of a telescope does not matter.
Do you buy these eyepieces separately since, we kind of are on a budget?
Usually eyepieces come with the telescope, but sometimes, yes, you do have to buy other ones. But trust me, buying a telescope is worth the pretty penny. It'll change your life forever.
In a negative way, I expect.
Anyway, you're going to need a low magnification because galaxies are really big. So you want to be able to get the whole image.
Okay, so a large field of view is how much you can see in the telescope, and ideally a larger field of view comes with a shorter focal length, which is how much distance the light has to travel from the end of the telescope to the eyepiece.
Think of it as a painting. If you look at it up close, you can't see everything, so you have to take a step back to view most of it.
Okay, so we have 5 telescopes, and they all vary from different costs. We have the cheapest with the Orion is the cheapest at almost $500, and then we have the Celestron Edge HD 1400, the most expensive at $10,000.
Just out of curiosity, why is there such a big difference in price? Like, why would this range from $500 to $10,000?
It really depends on what the telescope has. For example, the Orion doesn't come with a mount, and the Celestron Edge HD 1400, it's the heaviest. It has the largest focal ratio. It has the biggest aperture, and it has the longest focal length. So it's bigger, which is why it's more expensive.
So, do we need a mount?
Yes. Okay, you're outside looking at the sky, and you're just gonna hold your telescope? No, you need a mount because otherwise your arms are gonna get all tired because you're like holding this big thing. And also, if you're holding it, it's gonna get all wobbly and you won't be able to find anything in the sky. So yes, you need a mount. But luckily, you can buy them separately. The mount that we have in stock right now is this little friend. It's a Celestron mount. It's nice because it's not just a mount to help steady things. It also comes with some technology. It comes with the auto-guided port. I'm gonna give these guys to you for right now to look over, and you can see what you want, see what kind of telescope you want, what accessories you want. If you have any questions, I'm here.
Thanks.
We decided we want the Orion 254mm.
Okay, good choice.
Are there like accessories or something that comes with these telescopes? Because if I recall correctly, my teacher had a dew cap for one of his telescopes.
I would suggest you get the do not, It's also a good idea to get the Crayford focuser because it prevents backlash, wobbling, and radio play. So it helps you with taking pictures so the telescope won't shift positions. Gives you a better image. It'll probably take 5 to 10 business days, and then I'll send you the bill at that time as well. So, have a great day and good luck with your telescopes.
Oh, yeah, thanks.